Hi, my name's Nick. I'm studying civil engineering at the University of Edinburgh, and I've just finished 3 months at Bricsys as an intern. I found this internship with EAST. They're an association all over the world in cities, in every city almost, where students can find internships. I've been with other interns who came with that same organisation. They have international evenings. We had an Iranian evening last night where they made food from Iran. Before that there was a Ghana evening. My evening, Scottish evening, was a few months ago, and we made, I made some deep fried Mars bars. Yeah, I arrived in Belgium and I thought, yeah, okay, it's Belgium. It's not famous for being, it's not really that famous for much. I kind of fell in love with the country in the 3 months I was here. It's probably one of the coolest countries I've been in. So I've got people here who I'll stay in touch with, but also from all over the world. When I started, I arrived at quite a good time because it coincided with a week's training course for people from different offices of Bricsys. Later on, another intern arrived and we started on the main project of my internship, which is to model a convention centre. And they're going to be using it for demonstrations and training purposes, but hopefully they'll be able to use it at the conference in October in Stockholm. It's probably the thing in my course which I'm least comfortable with because there's not very much emphasis on it. So I had not used a lot of CAD before I came. That's probably what I was most nervous about. I thought I was useless at CAD. And actually it was very easy to learn. So I didn't realize how much you could do with the software. So I knew that there was 2D CAD and 3D CAD, but I didn't realize that there was this whole new BIM element to it and how powerful it was. I'd actually say that BricsCAD BIM is easier to learn than just standard 2D CAD because it's so intuitive. You know what you're trying to construct. You can visualize a whole building without even having anything built. With Quick Draw, for example, you're firstly just making a slab and then you're extending that slab up. It just makes sense because that's how a building looks. It's actually easier if you're using BricsCAD BIM than just a standard 2D software, in my opinion. Don't be nervous, first of all, before you come. I was quite nervous, especially with regard to CAD skills. Don't do that because you'll be fine. Talk to as many people in the office as you can. Like, just everyone will talk to you. Everyone's very friendly. It's a really easy place to work when everyone's so good together. I think it's a really good team. I think that's going to be hard for my next job, finding another office like it, because it's been a really good experience.